Computer systems are great at automating the production of paper or PDF documents, like invoices or orders, but not so good at reading them. So on the receiver side, these documents usually need to be manually entered. When multiplied across hundreds of thousands of businesses in a national economy, this represents a huge inefficiency that's usually measured in billions of dollars per year. B2B data standards have been created with the aim of removing this manual handling by defining machine-readable document standards. But these standards are often very complex, expensive to implement, and there's a high risk of interoperability failures that lead to high error rates and slow uptake. If these problems can be solved, then huge productivity gains can be achieved. The Australian government SuperStream program aims to save $1 billion per year between employers and pension funds. The European Union estimates potential savings of over $30 billion per year from elimination of paper invoicing. Several US initiatives, such as eHealth and SmartGrid, offer similar savings. ComplianceTest removes the risk of interoperability failure by providing a very thorough test and certification service that gives confidence to all implementers in a community. Let's see how it works. The process starts with an issuing authority, such as a standards body, industry association, or government agency, creating an open collaboration community that includes a forum, a wiki, and full details of test cases and test data. Membership is free. ComplianceTest then builds an automated test harness that implements the community test suite. It works by simulating each role in the collaborative process and so tests real business error scenarios, not only technical messaging and schema compliance. Tests cover both positive and negative scenarios and can be tester or harness initiated. Software vendors subscribe to the test service for a simple monthly fee. They configure their products using community test data and then work through each test case that matches their business role and desired conformance level. When done, the certified product is published to the register. A business that is a user of a certified product can verify their implementation and publish their endpoint to the ComplianceTest registry so that other businesses can discover and transact. As other software vendors and their business customers complete the same process, the interoperable community grows. If business A wants to send a transaction to business B, its compliance software simply looks up the endpoint and, if available, sends a message. If not, then it just defaults back to the normal manual process. But standard specifications change and software products are constantly upgraded, so there's an ongoing testing need. ComplianceTest will constantly update suites to reflect any changes, and the cloud-style subscription model means that customers can retest at any time. Let's summarize some of the key advantages. Independence. ComplianceTest maintains strict independence. We do not compete with any implementers and do not handle production messages. Low cost. Because we build a test service only once for each community, the cost is shared, and so each tester pays only a small fraction of what it would cost to build their own test suite. Flexibility. Testers can generate test plans for only the roles and conformance levels that match the capabilities of their software. Confidence. Because all community members test against a single reference, we provide the highest confidence of successful interoperability between different systems. And convenience. Our cloud-hosted self-service platform allows testing at your convenience. Start simple with lower conformance levels and extend at any time. Transparency. Communities are open to all implementers and membership's free. Every member can see all test cases, test data, wiki articles and forum posts. Sustainability. ComplianceTest has been designed from the start to support not just initial certification, but ongoing automated regression testing. And implementation support. B2B standard technical specifications can be long, complex and daunting. Don't wait till you finish building to test. Use our reference implementation as an example to follow and shave months off your build effort. So get started now. Click on the tab below that best matches your role.